السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته حبايبي في كل مكان، أهلا بكم. مع بعض كده نعرف the difference between this and that. عارفين إن this طبعا لما نيجي نتكلم على حاجة قريبة ماشي near، يبقى this للنير، نير يعني قريبة، أوكي، وذات للبعيدة، والاتنين سواء this أو ذات للمفرد للواحد بس، أوكي. يلا أول واحدة كده. This is a cup. This is a cup. هذا يكون فنجان. Number 2. This is a dog. هذا كلب. This is a dog. هذا يكون كلب. This is a dog. This. Okay, برافو. This is an egg. This is an egg. This is an egg. هذه تكون بيضة. Okay. This. برافو. A sock. This is a sock. This is a sock. And this. Excellent. This is an apple. This is an apple. هذه تكون تفاح. This is an apple. Okay, and this. Excellent. This is a strawberry. This is a strawberry. طبعا strawberry اللي هي طبعا فراولة. Excellent. وصلنا لإيه دلوقتي؟ that far بعيد. that far بعيد far. Excellent. That is a car. That is a car. هذه اللي هناك دي، هذه سيارة، أو ممكن في العربي يقول تلك سيارة. Okay. That far. Okay, excellent. That is an umbrella. That is an umbrella. Excellent. That is a bird. That is a bird. That is a bird. Excellent. That far, that far. What is it? Excellent. That is a beer. That is a beer. هذا يكون دب. Okay. That is a beer. Excellent. That. Excellent. That is a guitar. That is a guitar. That is a guitar. Wow. That is a tomato. That is a tomato. That is a tomato. Excellent. Okay, we come to the end. I wish you the best. See you next time. Bye bye.